Hi guys, Darren here for another Airless Q&A. Today I'm going to be addressing what do you do when you see paint forming at the bottom of where your manifold filter housing is. You'll be operating your sprayer and you're going to see maybe paint dripping out, and we're going to find out what to do about that. So what you want to check is the O-ring that sits inside the housing here. So we're going to have a look at that. When we pull it out, you'll have your filter that slides off, and you've got the filter core. We need to screw this off, and what we're trying to do is get at the O-ring which sits inside here. Here it's a blue ring. Now it might be stuck in there quite a bit, so you're going to take your screwdriver and you're going to have to pull it out like that. And I've got another O-ring here, and that will go in like that. After that, you'll just need to screw the filter core back on, hop on the filter, and screw it back onto the main housing. This should do the trick. If you're still having issues, then give us a call and we can help you out. And if you have any other questions or comments about replacing your O-ring, leave it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.